How to make iPhone not vibrate on silent. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the Sounds and Haptics option and tap on it. And tap on the Haptics option. This opens a new screen with 4 distinct options that control when your iPhone will vibrate for ringtones and alerts. To achieve the goal of no vibrations in silent mode, change the setting from Always Play to the Don't Play in Silent Mode option. A check mark appears to confirm the new setting is active. With this setting enabled, your iPhone will now be truly silent when you use the mute switch. The phone will vibrate when the ringer is on, but will not vibrate when it's in silent mode. Following these steps, you can easily make the iPhone not vibrate on silent. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.